Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with MarketFinance Business Funding Review My Usage Experience. MarketFinance Business Funding Review My Usage Experience offers business funding solutions. It's designed to help small and medium-sized businesses access the capital they need for growth and expansion. Key features likely include loan applications, eligibility checks, and potentially a comparison tool for different funding options. Their website provides details on the specific services offered. Their website highlights a streamlined application process, emphasizing ease of use and transparency. They claim to offer competitive interest rates and a clear breakdown of fees, with no hidden costs. They also appear to focus on quick turnaround times for loan approvals. Availability is likely dependent on business location and creditworthiness. You can check their website for eligibility criteria. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using MarketFinance Business Funding Review My Usage Experience. I needed a small business loan to upgrade some equipment, and MarketFinance was recommended by a colleague. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The application form was straightforward, requesting standard business information like revenue, expenses, and credit history. I uploaded the required documents, and the whole process took less than an hour. The interface itself was intuitive and easy to navigate. I especially appreciated the clear progress bar that kept me updated on the application status. The loan approval process was quick. I received a decision within 2 business days. I had a quick question about the repayment schedule, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, very responsive. A standout feature for me was definitely the transparent fee breakdown. There were no surprises. One minor drawback was the somewhat limited information provided on alternative funding options beyond their own offerings. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using MarketFinance. They provided a fast, efficient, and transparent service that helped me secure the funding I needed quickly. The speed and ease of the application process were crucial for me, and their customer support exceeded my expectations. That's my overview of MarketFinance Business Funding Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.